How to get iPhone to recommend a strong password. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down to the end of the main list and tap on Apps. This section provides a list of all the applications installed on your iPhone, allowing you to manage individual app settings. From the list, find and tap on Passwords. In the Password Settings menu, you can manage various security features related to your saved credentials. Here, scroll down until you find the Suggest Strong Passwords option and tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn this feature on. Finally, the feature is activated successfully. Following these steps, you can easily get iPhone to recommend a strong password. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.